Hello my lovelies, Melissa from Metro Cosmetics and Haute Perfumerie. Today we explore a newcomer to our exclusive collections, Vetiver Gris by Jacques Fath. We are also offering our lovelies a wonderful promotion. Bring any of your empty bottles, no matter where you purchase it from, no matter how far, no matter how wide. Bring that bottle back and replace it with one of our exclusive perfumes and receive a 20% discount. We want to look after our lovelies. Master Perfumer Jean-Christophe Hérault. You may know him from masterpieces such as Aventus Creed, Les Exceptions by Thierry Mugler. He went to Jacques Fath and said, I have a perfume I wish to birth with you. It was a legend before it was even conceived, a timeless fragrance that is unisex. He's very evocative and passionate about connecting and resonating with the human experience, with the human emotion. And never before have I come across a perfume that does exactly that. Now to the structure. A structure that is clear, coherent, direct. The top note, hazelnut, bitter orange, mandarin. The heart, galbanum resin, sexy geranium, neroli. The soul, an aldehydic musk with iris and vetiver. Let's talk the architecture of this perfume, standing on 4 pillars. In walks the green cloud. The green cloud is citrus, galbanum, resinous accord. Swiftly moving in, the beautiful nutty accord, in true Hérault fashion, arriving disguised as a pineapple metallic sheen and evolving into roasted hazelnuts. In walks player 3, the main actor. This is the woody, telluric force of vetiver. With the beautiful iris mist and cocooned, if you like, in a hug, in a beautiful, loving hug with a lactonic musk. Sensational. I don't think I've ever used something as beautiful. Remember, it's for all those who appreciate absolute magnificence in perfumes. So my lovelies, Vetiver Gris by Jacques Fath is a truly timeless fragrance. A masterpiece, a true legend it was even prior to its conception. So let it live through Metropolitan Cosmetics and Haute Perfumerie into your hands, into your home, into your life. I'll see you soon.